Jai Gurudev students. Children, last time I have given you question answers of chapter number 5, acids, bases and salts. So we have already written 2 columns. Okay, I have given you 2 columns and 6 question answers. These you have already written. Means this page full I have given last time. Maybe you have written these 2 questions also, question answers. But today I am going to explain from this answer. So heading you write answer the following or answer the very short question answers. Okay. So now first is question number 1. What is the use of litmus test? I have shown you that how to test with litmus paper, blue and red. So what is the use of it? You know children, the litmus test is used to check that whether the substance is acidic or basic. Okay children, why we are testing with the litmus paper? To know that whether any substance is acidic or basic. Okay, so question number 2 is, what do you mean by natural substances? Explain. So neutral substances, not natural, neutral substances. So answer is, neutral substances is neither acidic nor basic, but it is generally salt formed by neutralization reactions. Children, if you test the salt which is used in our daily life, or we are using as a table salt in our kitchen, that salt is neutral in nature because it is formed by the neutralization reaction between acid and base. Okay, so what are the neutral substances? Neutral substances are those substances which are neither acidic or nor basic in nature. Okay, so they if we test with the litmus paper to the any neutral substance, that both the litmus papers will not change their color. Okay, so this indicates that these both the papers are not changing any color. So this indicates that the substance is neutral in nature. Okay, and all the neutral substances are formed by the neutralization reactions. So these are the 2 question answers. Now third one is, why we take antacid when we suffer from acidity? This we have discussed many times children. That answer is due to indigestion. We have acidity in the stomach. To get rid of the acidity, we take an antacid. Children, why they ask that why we take antacid like Gelusil, or I have given you example of Eno. Okay, why we take these kind of antacids? Because when at the time of indigestion, means any kind of indigestion or stomach problem due to acidity, when we feel such kind of problem, to get rid of it, to get rid of means इससे छुटकारा पाने के लिए और to remove this problem, we take an antacid. Okay, because this antacid always act against that acid. Okay, and here due to neutralization reaction, that acidity problem will be solved because of this antacid. So question number 4 is, why acid do not show acidic behavior in absence of water. Children, when we use any kind of acid or any kind of in any kind of reaction, when we want to use acid, first we make it dilute, means we add water in it so that we can use it for any of the reaction. And here they ask why we use means why these acids are not showing acidic characteristic in the absence of water. So let's see the answer. Acids do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water because acids only give hydrogen ions, H positive ions, in the presence of water. Okay. Why acids are acidic in nature? I have already told you, children, they release hydrogen ions, and amount of hydrogen ion or concentration of hydrogen ion decides that whether any acid is a light acid or weak acid or strong acid. Understand? So how much hydrogen ions they can produce, that much strong that acid can be. Understand? So it depends on the release of hydrogen ions, and hydrogen ions can only be released when any acid is dissolved in water. So in the presence of water, the acids are releasing hydrogen ions. So that's why it is acidic in nature and water is required in this reaction. So next is question number 5. What are organic acids? These acids are obtained either from plants or animals. For example, tartaric acid and one more name, citric acid. You can write other names also, ascorbic acid, or we can say citric acid. Here I have given you malic acid. Okay, so many names I have already given you, that one column in which that names we have written. You can write any 2 or 3 examples here. Okay, so what are the organic acids, children? Organic acids are those acids which either we obtained from animals or we get from plants. Okay, so next question number 6 is Arav's mother. Arav is a name of some boy. That Arav's mother tried to wash his turmeric stained cloth with soap. She noticed the stain color changed to red. Explain why. Means Arav's mother, she is trying to wash the cloth which is filled with turmeric. Okay, which has stain of turmeric. So when she tries to wash with soap, that it turns its color brown to red. We have also seen, we have done this activity. So here they ask that why this happened. So the stain color changed to red because turmeric is natural indicator. Okay, which gives red color in the basic medium. Basic medium means soap is a base, so this is a basic medium, and turmeric is a natural indicator. And children, always turmeric give its red color when we apply soap on turmeric containing any paper or cloth. So these are the 6 question answers. So in next video we will see the next question answers.